Welcome, Thiago speaking. On today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Anker Liberty 2 Pro. It's going to be my honest review. Let's roll that intro. Anker has sent this pair in white to me, and I have spent more than a month with them, and I have to say, I'm quite impressed. But let's start with the price like always. You can find them on the Anker site for £89.99. They are on sale now, £30 off, so the price tag is £119. If you go on Amazon, it's the same price. You got a 25% coupon, so brings that down to £89.99. Great price. Guys, let's have fun and start the unboxing. The box itself is quite impressive. Well, got the features in the front and everything. On the side as well, on the back you got the app. Yeah, feels strong, the box. On the side, recommended by 10 Grammy winning audio producers. Yeah, let's open it. Oh my god, I'm impressed. I love the white, by the way. They got in black as well, but I love the white. Let's open it. That's gonna take the case outside. Feels great, the case. Earbuds. Let's see what we got inside of the box. Oh my goodness, how many? What's that? Oh, it doesn't come up. Let's see how many we have. We have 7 sets of silicone ear tips, plus 3 sets of wing tips. Let's put this away. And here we have manuals. Loads of them, by the way. Type-C USB charging cable, and it's a nice cable, by the way. Let's see the case. It slides open. It slides open. It's amazing. Look at the case. I love the case. It's not big. It's the right size. Simple. And here are the earbuds. A bit chunky. Let's put them inside of the case. They go in a funny way, by the way. And slides. Let's take the sticker so we can slide the case. I love the case. And here we go. Look at that. Yep, that's it. I love the feel of the case. Here on the back, you got the Type-C USB with the cover. Some people like it, some people don't. I quite like the cover. Keeps the dust away. A few specs about the case. It holds 32 hours battery life. It has fast charge, wireless charging, a slim design. It has 3 lights to indicate the battery life on the case. I love the lid. Slides open. When you slide open, the earbuds will turn on, and when we slide close, the earbuds will turn off. Let's talk about some of the features. They have Bluetooth 5.0, so faster connections. Qualcomm aptX. Dual drivers, 11mm, that's why they are a bit bigger than normal. Wireless charging. And Type-C charging as well. Austria Coaxial Acoustic Architecture. Big name. Up to 32 hours playtime with the case and 8 hours with the earbuds. Personalized sound. They have 4 microphones. IPX4 water resistance, so you can go for a run on the rain. Crystal clear calls. You guys can have a check on this one next. Right, so like always, here is the test outside. They say on the box they got clear calls, so hopefully this will be clear. It's a bit windy outside, but yeah, hopefully you can get like a clear sound, and this will be like the sound that you're gonna get on a phone call when you are outside. Let's do the test now inside of the house. Right guys, this is the sound inside of the house. You guys just check it, the sound outside of the house. I'm hoping it's clear. Inside of the house, I'm sure will be clear. Just drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think about the sound. After talking about the microphones, let's talk about the app. The app is very important. You can choose about 22 IQ sets, even personalize your earphones to yourself. You can customize them. You can choose different controls on an app as well. And being able to do all of this is a huge plus. In my opinion, they are one of the most dynamic sound earbuds. The bass, the treble, the mids, everything is in your face. You can hear male and female vocals extremely well. They have a nice separation between vocals and instruments. They have very fun earbuds to listen to. I like them and they are great. But for that price tag, the competition is quite big, with active noise cancellation for example, and they don't have that. On top of that, they are so big, and I think people will prefer a smaller earbuds. I do understand it is because of the dual drivers, but still too big. Guys, it's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you did, please like and subscribe, that will help the channel. Stay safe, you and your families, and take care of yourself. It's all for today, and I hope to see you on my next review. Bye!